All right, so today we combine two really easy and cheap sources of protein. One, eggs, and two, tuna. They might not sound like they go together, but I promise you after this recipe, you'll never think that again. So let's just jump right into it. Start with 5 large eggs and mix those together with 1/4 cup of milk or milk substitute. Once mixed, take out a stovetop pan, turn your burner on medium heat, coat it with some nonstick cooking spray and pour your eggs in. Sprinkle on a little black pepper, then take out a bowl for your tuna mix. To that bowl, add 1 can of drained tuna, 4 tablespoons fat-free cream cheese, 1/2 cup your choice cheese, 6 tablespoons fat-free sour cream, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon dill weed, 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. Mix those together until it looks like this and take that over to your eggs. When your eggs move together, go ahead and spoon your tuna mix onto one side of it. Flip half of your eggs over after you've spooned it all on, throw your cover on the pan, let it cook for a few minutes. There's your tuna omelet, and yes, it tastes just as good as it looks. A couple things you could do to change this one up would be 1, add in some chopped vegetables, 2, toss in some chili sauce to add a little heat to it, and 3, use other spices or herbs. Let me know below some of your favorite things to throw in an omelet. I know there's a few things out there I haven't tried yet that I need to. With that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to show some love and check out Labrada Nutrition in the description below. You'll find a ton of my recipes over there. Smack that thumbs up button if you like this recipe and want some more quick meal ideas like this. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on notifications. And of course, stay healthy.